Hi everyone, it's Regina here, and today I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you how to use Canva in creating your image and also adding text and adding music. So we're gonna stay on a basic so that you can learn step by step. Okay, let's do this. More lights. We need some lights in here. So I'm hoping that after you watch this video that I can show you how different mentorship is and how easy it is actually to use an app. And so once you learn how to use an app, I'm hoping that I can inspire and motivate you that you can also start your digital business and turn your ideas into valuable content. And I can help you how you can get something back and base yourself your some salary, space yourself your income in starting your digital business. So I am a business strategist. I am a mentor, and I'm teaching people how to create their images and videos, how to turn their ideas, so that they can also earn income in digital. And I'm also affiliate. I'm an entrepreneur, so I also invest in some products that I am affiliate with. When I use a products, I try a products first and I see if the product delivers. And when I test the products and it delivers, then I do seek affiliates partnerships so that I can earn income on that product, and the same thing with the people that I connected with. So aside from teaching courses, I also create and help people to have business in digital business through the use of affiliates program. And I also have affiliates program upsell that you can upsell yourself so that you can learn from me. I will teach you and train you. I will mentor you and help you to start your digital business from creating your account to running it successfully. So now let us start with the basic. And this, I'm going to teach you how you can learn how to navigate Canva and create a simple image so that you can start trusting yourself that you can do it. Okay. So I'm gonna do share. We're gonna share our screen. Okay, we're gonna go share. I start from empty canvas, but before we move in here, let's go back to our home so that I can completely tell you around this home. So let's go back to the left. All those buttons here, we have create, we have your projects. Projects is things that you have created, and they are separated in different albums. They have this one, and they are folders. They can consider folders. You can customize and put them in different folders. Okay, so that's your project, that's your home. And let's go back to home. And in your home, you also have this. If you do not know what you need, you can just type in here. You can put that the ratio of what you want to create. You can, and then that will come up to you. Or you can also play around with it. You can open presentation, social media, a video, or a print shop. Okay, so for today, we're gonna just create. We're gonna recreate this one. We're gonna recreate this. So we're gonna start in an open canvas, and we're gonna choose. We're gonna choose social media. If you want to do social media here, and then we're gonna choose. I'm gonna choose post. Post in a post. I'm gonna just choose post section in social media on Facebook, and we're gonna do the story video, or let's do the just probably just like do the video. Let's do the video. So it's the Facebook video is wider. This is the 1:1 ratio. So now we're gonna upload. Okay, so you got your empty canvas. So the next thing you want to do is to upload your image. In here, if you don't have an image, you can actually use the describe your ideal design, and the AI will actually create that for you. The AI will generate that video that you told AI about the prompt. And this is how important now to learn how to communicate with AI so that you can write the correct prompt to create it. But for this purpose, we're going to concentrate on uploading a file folder, and let's go I upload it. So I have you when you don't have images yet, you're gonna use the upload files, and this will bring you to your files, and then you can choose your image. For this purpose is to save time. I already uploaded them earlier, so I'm just gonna choose my uploaded image to this one. Okay, so this is, as you can see, the image I'm using right now, it cutting off some of the words, right? So this is where you want to edit your image. So to edit this one, I'm gonna undo this again, and to the left we have the word, this arrow here, the icon, which is the undo. Just click the undo so that you can take it out, and then let's add this one back again. And this time, to add this one, I'm just gonna drag it to my canvas. Okay, so now you see the difference. When you just click it, the program is default to create a background for you. Unfortunately, creating as a background, it cut some of the text, right? So in order for you to control more of the image that you want to do it, is to hold on it and just drag it to your canvas, and then that way you have more control. So now we can adjust these images according to our chosen area, and then we just basically, I'm just removing the excess space there at the top, so that I can drag this one out with and get there, and then I can just stretch it out. Try to stretch it out so that we can build our canvas. So this is how far we can go without cutting our text. Okay, so now you can see that there's a space in here, and our letters is small, it's hard to read. So what you can do is you can just retype it, and this is where we're gonna add, and we're gonna add text, and we can just type into our text. Yeah, wonder if I can save my name in there, or I can just take the whole text out, and then we can just expand straight this one out. And now we can, now it's a lot easier. I can easier read this one here. The next thing we could do is just, we're going to now add our text. Now to the left, we can click text, and now let's add our text. You can choose what you want. There are some here that is already pre-done, and you can choose this one. There, it's already there, and it says click on it, and we can change the name for this one. Okay, or you can also undo this one, and I can also change something else. Look for something more nicer. This one is actually, this is good for me. I like this one. So you can use the text there, and then now let us put my name in here. Learn how to future your income. Okay, and I can use my name in there. I can use my email. I'm gonna put my email here. Let's say email future Regina. Yes, it's capital. Regina at future-proof your income. Future-proof with digital skills.com. So this is my email, but as you can see that the email is not good, right? It's kind of all cutting things out, but that is okay. We're just gonna stretch that out, and so that we can get it going there. Okay, and I want my email as much as possible in one sentence, but I have a very long email, so I'm gonna have to cut this one up with, I'm gonna cut it to the with digital business. So just enter that there. So that is actually future proof. I'm gonna cut that with a whip and go in this one, bring up. So you can see I'm trying to play around and fit my email to a very long email. So now, okay, so now it's not easy to read, and I don't want the width there to cut it off. So what I'm gonna do is just bring to the end in here and then go back in. Now it's a lot better, right? A lot better there. So just get position this one right. So now we can change the color for this one, but I can actually, this is a second level here. I can ungroup it, ungroup, so that you can play around more, and now you can move these letters more where you want it. So I just want to grab this one. So this is what happened when you ungroup the text. You will have more freedom to do what you want on it, okay? So that's there. And I'm just going to make my this one a lot more bigger. Just one more dot bigger, so it's a lot easier. And then let's change the color of the text. So on the top, the letter A with the rainbow color, that is where you can change the color. And I'm going to go for the red. Oh, doesn't look good. Purple doesn't look good either. Okay, what can I do with this one? Okay. So the red doesn't look good. I think I'm going to go for white. So let's go change it for white. There, I think I'm gonna stick to white on this one. But now my text is capital letter and I don't like it capital letter. So I'm just gonna highlight that. I'm gonna highlight my own email and I'm going to change the text font. I'm gonna look for something that I can do without capital it. And I normally use Intro Pro. And this Intro Pro is in there. Now you're gonna go to this and you can see on the top A, B, C, I, U, I, A. The 2A, it says uppercase. Now click that one so that you don't have to make it uppercase. Okay. So, oh, it's not changing. Let me just do an intro po. Let's see this one. I think, let me uppercase to, I don't like it uppercase. Let me just see. Okay. I'm going to just delete this one and then rewrite it. Okay, email, and then I'm gonna do, I don't want it uppercase, so I'm gonna go Regina, oops. Okay, the intro pro is still go for headline, so I'm gonna change this because I don't like it on I don't like it on capital letters. Intro pro, rush headline, okay. It does not change. Okay, now let me see if I managed to do it. Yes, okay. Okay, Regina at future proof with digitalskills.com. Okay, so now it's too long, so I'm gonna cut this one out with the word proof. All right, so that's better, right? Sometimes if it's not capital, it's a lot easier to read, so that's good. And then from here, you can still use that one with something else. I will just do the future proof with digital skills. I'm gonna bring this one. I can just delete that one if I don't need it because I think it's too much already, too much in there already. But I want to put my name in here as well. Oh, let's bring it back and let's actually use it. Okay, let's put my name here as Regina Sunderland. But I'm going to change this one. I think it's to Regina Sunderland. Okay, I'm gonna put high level mentorship. Okay, so I think I like it that way. So that's it. So now you are learning from me of how to edit and add text and edit text. Okay, so we use this one. We used to add text using the template, and then we can play around with it. So now I'm gonna show you something without using the template. So we can delete that one. Oops, let's go back in. Let's highlight this and delete it. So I'm going to show you how to add text without using a template. So to the left, just add text. And in your text in here, you can add go up. So now you can choose if you want headline or subheading. So I don't like the capital letters because they are actually harder to read sometimes. So I'm just going to put it this way. And now I'm going to put my name on. Okay, and if you don't like this type of font, you can always go up to the middle and change your font. Right now, I'm using Canva Sans, and I can change it to Intro Pro. So I just changed it to Intro Pro. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my name here. So just like Regina Sunderland. Yeah, I think I like the Intro Pro. It has a good distance. Okay, and then I'm going to put, let me see what color. Let's see how color. Let's see, red. Okay, I'm going to go for the red, and then I'm going to add another text. And this one, I think maybe I can go for the capital. So it's going to be a little bit more of, get up. Okay, and then I'm going to put my high level mentorship title on here. High level mentorship. Okay, mentorship. Okay, so now we did play around with our text, and now I have that. Let's make it a little bit smaller so that it doesn't cut into my clothes. Because if it cuts in clothes, it's a little bit too crowded, right? So we don't want it too crowded. There you go. Okay, so that's it. So we can lower this one so that they look a lot nicer, or we can leave it at as is. Okay, I think that's it. It's a little bit to kind of to give the balance, to balance the distance. So I'm just trying to balance the distance between one and the other. So just dragging the letters will help you move them from one to the other. And so that's it. So I show you how to add text using a thumbnail. I also show you how to add text just using the text command. And I also show you how to ungroup a template text together. So that is good. I show you how to fit the text within your area. I show you how to extend it or make it smaller. So now I'm going to show you how to add music to here. So now let's go to the left and look for the audio right there. And now you can record voice over, or you can generate an AI voice, or these are where the music. And I just use this music in here. I always use the royal theme music. Yeah, that's it. I like that. Okay. So now below, all right. Now let's ask that. Yeah, let's just Okay, just take away the volume so loud. Okay, so now on that, I'm gonna show you where the volume on the top of the center. There's a speaker time there. That's your control of volume. Okay, so now with this one, now you on the below at the bottom, if you are printing a video, make sure that your poster is way down to the very beginning of this beginning here. Okay, so now I'm making my smaller picture so that you can see what's inside here. This is your area where you work it. That make sure that your image is way to the very beginning, so that when you print out your video, there will be no blank space. Okay, and also when you're ending it up, make sure that you end your text to where you want it. So I'm gonna pull out one of the mentorship here. I'm gonna remove this one to halfway. So if I move this one halfway, you see that at the end of my image or video that there is no high level mentorship, right? Because your text is short enough, it doesn't cover the whole time frame of your image. So in order for you to bring all your letters to the end, from the beginning to the end, to contain all the letters. Make sure that they're all aligned to the end, to the end. Make sure that all this bar, red, the black bar here, make sure that all your letters are all aligned. Okay? So that all the letters are included when you finish up, when you printed your video, and when you finish, when you print and download your video or your image. Okay? So that's a good thing to remember, and a good hints for you to show you how to print, how to download, to make sure that you're not gonna have a empty space or white or black page on your creation. So I hope that I have inspired you guys. Do you have, if you have any questions, direct message me, ask me any questions. I will be happy to answer that. And if you are someone who really want to start your digital business and you want to learn from me, connect with me, email me. And that's my email here, Regina at futureproof with digitalskills.com. And I will be very glad and very happy to lead you to the goal that you want to achieve. I am Regina. I am a digital business owner. I am helping a lot of people start their digital business through mentorship and helping you to shorten your learning curve and helping you to accelerate to the result that you want to achieve. So comment yes if you want me to connect with you and I can connect with you, or email me directly and I will be really happy to guide you to start your own digital business and leverage on your passion. Turn your ideas into a valuable content that eventually will pay you back. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.